Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing "Firework" by Katy Perry. It is a great song. I just love it. I did get a new camera, and I was trying to. I did post a video about it. This is my new one. I know the screen looks different. That's because this new camera kind of made it a little different. But that's okay. I will fix it on my other PC webcam. But right now, this will be my camera that I'm using. So, I'm excited. Yay! Until for Christmas. So yeah, here we go. Firework by Katy Perry. And I just love this song, so. You ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? And do you ever feel this so paper thin, like a house of cards, we're caving in? Do you ever feel already burning deep, 6 feet on the screen but no one seems to hear a thing? You read there's still a chance for you, there's a spark in you. You just gotta deny the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. So baby, you're a firework. Come on, what you want. Make them go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, someone, let's burst. Make them go oh, oh, oh. Gonna leave them running down. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. Your original can never be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, then your heart will glow. And when it's time to go, you just gotta deny the light and let it shine. Just on the night, the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show what you want. Make them go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky.